Are you ready? Time is up.
Yes.
Okay, let's begin. Check your home task. I ask you some questions. You must answer my question. Let's begin. Where is Canada situated? Who wants to answer my question? Come join together. Who wants? Where is Canada situated? Who wants? You please jump up. In North America. You are right. Very good. Next. How many population does it have? How many population? Who wants to answer my question? I'm not with you.
34 million.
34 million people. Okay, very good. What is the main language in Canada? Language of Canada. Main language. You please look at please you.
English and French.
English and French. Okay, very good. And now, and the last question. What is the capital of Canada? Capital city. Please you. Ottawa. Okay, very good. You are right. Let's start our lesson. I want to ask a question for you before start our lesson. Please, who wants to answer your question? Who is your hero? How do you say? Who is your hero, please? Who wants to answer the question? Who is your hero? Alejandro, please you. Who is your hero?
Famous.
Is your famous?
Singer.
Famous singer. Very good. Next one, what's continue to Batırlar çekilmiş. Niye? Please. Who is the singer? He is a sportsman. Very good. It's a famous sportsman. Actor, please. You know, next you, please.
Singers and
Dancer. Okay, very good. Dancer. Sonra bizim o bizim batırlar degenimiz bizden tanımal adamlarımız degeni әншіміз, спортшыларымız біздің неlerimiz eкен. Tanımal тұлғаларымызда біз біздің батырлар деп атайды екенбіз. Okay, you are right, very good. And now, look at the blackboard. Today we are going to speak about national heroes. We are going to speak about our Kazakh national heroes. Yani bu sizin sabahlarınızın maqsadi tanımal adamlar turалы айту, сол туралы түсініктер алу. Let's begin the aldı. My country national heroes. Open a copy book, write the date. Today, 16th of October, and write the theme of our lesson. My country national heroes. Okay, let's write your okay, book. You can write the date and this and write the date. Today, 16th of October, and write the theme. My country, national heroes. That's the date. And now open your book on page 28. On page 28. Can you find yes. And look at the exercise 1. There is, look at the exercise 1. First, answer the questions. Who are the people? What are they famous for? First, before start our lesson, you must answer this question. Who wants, please?
Please,
He's a cosmonaut. Okay, very good. Next, Amina, please you.
She is singing and dancing.
Who is what? Who is she? She is a what? You are right. Very good. Next.
He is painting.
He is a painter. He is a famous artist of Kazakhstan. You are right. Very good. Next, your marks is 2. Before we bärimiz diqqatga qaraymiz. Buni taqatga qaraymiz. Endi buni birinchi o'qimay turib, biz bärimiz tinglab olamiz.
In the photo looks very important, doesn't he? What's his name?
His name is Takhtar Aubakirov, and he's Kazakhstan's first cosmonaut. In 1991, he was part of a team on a Soyuz space mission to do research in space. Takhtar was also a test pilot for the Kazakh Air Force. He tested over 50 planes, and he was the first person to fly non-stop over the North Pole. Today he is retired, but he helps train over 50 planes, and he was the first person to fly non-stop over the North Pole. Today he is retired, but he helps.
The famous singer, is it?
Yes, it is. She was born in Kozelets in 1922 and became one of the most famous singers in Kazakhstan.
Right. Thank you very much. And now open your book, look at the book, and let's begin to read the text. Next, Ayara, please you.
And his Kazakhstan's first cosmonaut. In 1991, he was part of a team on Soyuz. She was born in Kozelets in 1922 and became one of the most famous singers in Kazakhstan. She sang in operas and performed popular songs. I really like them. He painted over 2,000 paintings, but his first job was a farm worker. Then he worked on the railway.
Do you understand the text?
Yes.
If you understand, düşüncenizi, onda biz onu жалғастырамыз. Тағы жаңа сөздіктермен қорытынды жасаймыз. Ол үшін біз ABC және фантастик өрттерін қолданамыз. Бірінші топ, сіздер текстің ішінен жаңа сөздікті табасыздар, оны екінші топқа жасырамыз, ал үшінші топ сол жаңа сөздікпен сөйлем қойасыздар. Do you understand?
Yes.
Let's start. Okay, very good. Are you ready? Now let's start. Next, who wants?
Pilot.
What is a pilot in Kazakh? Oshkosh, very good. Next, who wants to make a sentence to pilot? Do you want to please you?
He is a pilot.
He is a pilot. Very good. Next, you please retire. What is it? Зейнетке шығу. Very good.
My mother is retired.
My mother is retired. Very good. Next, tағы сөйлемеш. Next, you please. Who wants? Қана сөз бар? Tanımал. He is a popular artist. You are right. Very good.
He is popular singer. He is only 44 years old. I am proud of my grandfather Abba. I am proud of such a wonderful, interesting country. Her is Rosa Baglanova. Rosa Baglanova born in Kazakhstan in 1922 and became one of the most famous singers in Kazakhstan. She sang in operas and performed popular songs. Her is about number. He has 45 black swords. I am proud of my grandfather Abay. I am proud of such a wonderful
book and writing exercise 2. Read the text again, text hyperamorphisizdan. Complete the sentences with the names of the people. Dr. Obakirov, Rosa Bagladna, and Alexander Hastin. Let's start to write exercise 2. Working with the text tarda shumos. Read the text again, tarda text o'qaysizlar және write the names of the jobs for each person. Әр адамның мамандықтары бойынша 3 топқа бөліп жазамыз. Now let's begin to write. Your contact will be exercise 4 on page 25. Күнделікті ашып, үй жұмыстарыңызды жазып алыңыздар. You were very hard. I will give you only good marks. Барлықтарыңызды тамаша қақтыңыздар. Бәрінде жақсы баға қойыламыз. And now, stand up. The lesson is over. You are free. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye.